Hey guys, I'm here with, sorry I'm getting my money, a first vending machine tour. So this is a snack machine. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. What I'm thinking about getting is those chocolate chips right there. So let me go ahead and, how much does it cost? It cost $1, so let me go ahead and insert the bill there. Okay, so, okay, so, no. Okay, let me go ahead and put it in. I'm going to choose 160. Okay, now we've got the chocolate chips. Now something else I want is I have 3 quarters left, so how much would that equal? 75 cents. So if I get a nip chi, then that's a soda machine. They have a little elevator right there you can use. But if I use these 3 quarters to get a nip cheese, you can see there, me and my sister can split it. Well, she does. I only have 75 cents. Okay. Let's split it. Okay, so 156. Let's enter. So let's get 156. Okay. So that was our vending machine tour. Thanks guys if you watched, and I hope you like this video if you want more vending machine tours.